Okay, maglalaro tayo na ngayon ng fish. Alam kong nakita nyo, mag-iba na yung damit ko. Kasi siguro hindi na pwede yung damit na yun. Tara, mag-fishing na talaga tayo. Nga pala, bumili na pala ako ng bagong, ano tawag ito? Surfboard dito kay Shipwreck. I like to see my ships. Ito, surfboard. Ayoko pa bumili ng bass boat. Mag-ipon ako ng pera para sa fast rod. Hindi ko lang kung mataas ba control nun. Tsaka tayo swimming. Ay, magfi-fishing. Sorry guys. Nagkakamali ako ng pagkakasabi. Sino tayo? Lapit pa. North. Fishing tayo pa. Tol. Fishing tayo. Game. Nakakuha tayong eel. Shake. Yan. Sorry guys. Ayaw kumunik ng tawag doon? Basta. Ayaw kumunik ng USB ng headset ko. Peppermint worm. Ang gagamitin natin, current plate. Para mas malakas or mas mabigat ang nakuha natin. Ang aking kaibigan na si Tyler, nakakuha siya ng Megalodon. Oh my god, ang hirap. Skilled fisher. Oh, fish. Let's go. Punta tayo sa ibang destination. Asan yung surfboard ko? Ito. Surfboard. Let's go. Go. Dito tayo sa Statue of Sovereignty. Hindi ko lang alam kung malapit lang ba. Ay, dito na lang tayo sa Sandstone Island. Malapit lang naman ata to. Malayo to, pre. Tayo sa northwest sa statue. Yun lang na kasi siguro malayo. Statue of Sovereignty. Pakadilim. Para fishing tayo dito sa taas. Ay, di ba na pwede? Ito. Pwede. Perfect. The steel is screwed into the structure. There's no chance of flying off. This is pretty safety, you know? Because to be able to fly in high direction always your roof first, not your brothers. Because I don't want to survive you. Like I said, you have
Dang!
Boat? Okay. Ano to? Holly berry. Yan tayo sa holly berry. Perfect. Doon go! Yung maliwanag na morning has arrived. Ano to? Common crate. 6 shrimp. What does that mean? Inversion lock. Atlantis. Where's the Atlantis? At least ay nasa statues. So, Serenity. Hindi ko kaya i-pronounce. As napakadilim. Yan! Much better. Actually, gumagamit lang ako ng Oppo A74. Yun! Oh my god. Flying fish? What the hell? Pinaglalag tayo. No, amazing lang yan. Gusto ko perfect. Amazing na naman. Yun. Shit. No! Isa na namang flying fish. Red snapper, bream, anchovy flounder, Atlantean storm, tempest ray, abyss snapper, vortex barracuda, forsaken shores, cutlass fish, grand reef. What? Postwood, sardine, ocean, roslet. Okay. Pahirap pala nito pag hindi ka pa marunong. No, she. See, bro. What do you mean? How big is the seaweed? Okay, interact close. Nah. Wait, I'm just gonna drown myself. Bye. Tara, sell natin lahat to. Tignan muna natin kung magkano yung flying fish sa appraisement. Appraiser. Can you tell how much is this? Oh my god! Okay. It's time to sell my inventory. How about the flounder? And the eel. Oh man. Bro. Actually, the flounder is more cheaper than the eel. That's rigged. I like to sell my inventory. Bro, how about the flying fish? Can I sell this? Yes. I'd like to sell this. What about this? Oh, never mind. So that will be my channel. That will be my video for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.
Bye. Have a great time.